So this side hustle has personally generated over $2,000 for me in the last 24 hours. So if you're looking to make money from home, you don't want to show your face, you're not really like the most outgoing person ever, this is the perfect side hustle for you. So let's give a little context. I own a marketing agency and we're doing well, but I'm always looking for ways to pull other levers so I can make more money in my business, especially with less work. I really wanted to share that with you today because it's been having amazing success for me so far, and I know it can work for you too. So getting set up in this side hustle took me 20 minutes. It was the fastest thing I've ever done, and it made me $2,000. So 20 minutes for $2,000 sounds like a pretty good trade to me. Now here's the thing, this isn't a scam. This isn't something you've never heard of. You actually guaranteed have heard about this general thing before, but I'm sure you haven't thought, oh, that I can actually monetize this industry. And that industry? Business loans. It is a booming industry, actually over $200 billion in transactions per year. It's even more than that number. So there is zero reason why you can't get a piece of that pie. And you might be thinking, well, I don't know anything about business loans. Well, here's the thing, you don't need to. Here's what you need to know. You need to know a business owner, or you need to know someone who knows a business owner. And I guarantee one of those two people are in your immediate network. So if you're interested so far, if I've done anything to spike your interest, here are the steps you are going to take to get started today. All right, step number one, you're gonna fill out the application in the description of this bio. Guaranteed you're gonna get approved. We want everybody because we wanna see what it takes. We wanna see what you got inside of you. Because if you got it, then we are going to monetize it. You're just gonna fill out some forms, send over some paperwork, get up and going real quick. Because here's the thing, our goal is to leverage your network, because I guarantee you know people right now. You know so many people that you could then make money from. And you're not just making money from them because you can, you're making money because it's actually helping them as a business owner. The cool thing about what we've developed on our side is that we have a team of experts that know how to help business owners with financing. Like maybe it's a tax write-off, maybe it's to buy new equipment. Like there's so many benefits that business owners get from getting capital, and you get to be the gateway to that success for them. And just for a little reference, I just started doing this. Like this is a new thing for me personally. I'm excited about it and I love it. And the success I've seen has been insane. People have been doing this for a long time. Some of them make $1 million a year. Now it's their full-time job, it's not a side hustle, but the upside is that crazy. You tell me a job where you can make $1 million a year, working for yourself, doing your thing, just sending links to people. I'd love to hear about it, but so far this is the best thing I've ever heard of. So like I said, if you're interested, if this video spiked any interest at all, it costs you nothing. Click the link below. You're gonna actually get to talk to me personally because, you get that for now. And then after that, we're gonna get you set up and you can start making money today. And as always, if you liked the video, subscribe, leave a comment. If you hated it, dislike it, all helps the algorithm, and see you in the next one.